Hello. Today I'll give you some interesting tips and tricks to study. So let's start with our today's video title, How Can I Study Like a Genius? 25-5 rule. It tells first you have to like and subscribe the channel before starting the video, and it lays and lifestyle is the bonus tip also. So 25-5 rule. It tells you have to study 25 minutes first without any gadget, mobile phone and any electronic device. Then you have to take 5-minute break. In this you have not to have watch mobile, gadgets, smartphone, etc. Only for 5 minutes. And then follow it 2 to 3 times. Summarization technique. Summarize in sticky notes what you have studied in your school and write a summary. First, we have to make sticky notes of important points what you have studied in chapter. This will help in memorizing the chapter. Summary. After coming from school, you have to make summary of the chapter and read the chapter to clear the concept. So let's go to the and more thing is concept is power by studious.mind. Bonus tip, phenomenon. Make word starting alphabet as keyword. When I am in 7th class, routine test 1, science exam, I can't learn fiber to fabric chapters, how to convert process of silk making. So I have made a phenomenon of that was SSDCS. Simple like this. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow. www.twitter.com/studiousmind. studiousmind. www.youtube.com @studiousmind. www.facebook.com @studiousmind.education. www.instagram.com @studiousmind.education. Website https://office34685.wixsite.com/studiousmind.